G'day guys, I'm Trevor from Fishing with Trev. You've probably seen me on the internet. Got a few videos out there. Got quite a few tutorials on how to tie knots. And I was wondering just how strong are they? So I thought I'd make myself up a little knot testing rig. What we have, scales. I have actually got a lanyard tied because I've lost a few hooks around the house. Don't tell the wife. Yep, and what you do, hook your hook on, knot at the other end, just hook that around the screw, wind her up. Before you get tension on it, make sure you tear it off. Carry on winding. And we'll see what she actually comes out at. The line I'm using, 20 pound mono, 20 pound braid, 20 pound fluorocarbon. I'm not testing the strength of the line, I'm testing the strength of the knot, so it doesn't matter what brand they are because I'm going to be using the same across all my knots. Let's get started. Your line, grab your hook, feed your line through the eye of the hook. Just do an overhand knot, like so. Feeding the line through the eye. One, two, three, 4, 5 times. Pull your line up. At this stage, do make sure you moisten the knot, otherwise it will burn your line. Pull your line up. Cut off your tag end, leaving a couple of mil just for slippage. There you go. Grab your hook, feed your line through the front eye of the hook, looping back like so. Run your tag end around the line 5 times. Feed your tag end up through the top eye of the line that you've made the loop. Pulling up. When you get to about this point, make sure you do wet your line or it will burn it. Continue pulling your line down to your hook. Cut your tag end off, leaving a couple of mil. Hey guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to put it in the comments below. And also, if you want to see any other knots tested, put them in the comments as well. Yous have a good one, eh?